Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, May 15, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Boost your experience by joining our YouTube membership. Choose the supporter tier to show your appreciation with a loyalty badge, or the trader tier to request video analysis of the company of your choice. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 26, 2023, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.68. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 4.78%. This translates to an average return of 0.34% per day since it was listed as buy candidate. The ETF lies in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 11.1% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 6.71% and 14.85%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 3.85% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -15.83% and 8.88%. This translates to a price range of $275.07 to $355.79 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, "Green Day on Monday for QQQ." The QQQ ETF price gained 0.541% on the last trading day, Monday, May 15, 2023, rising from $325.03 to $326.79. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.95% from a day low at $323.96 to a day high of $327.03. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 1.43% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -8 million shares, and in total, 33 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $10.86 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $334.42, and the lowest price was $254.26. Currently, the price is 2.28%, or $7.63, below the 52-week high, and 20.04%, or $81.92, below the all-time high on November 22, 2021, when the price reached $408.71. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $324.48 and $318.27. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 25, 2023, and so far it has risen 5.42%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 81 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. buy signal 78 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $306.81 and $290.69. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $306.81. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $290.69 and $288.55. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $3.07 between high and low, or 0.95%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 0.98%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $306.81. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $312.45, minus 4.39%. This ETF has low daily movements and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 14 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, May 16th, we expect QQQ to open down minus 86 cents and start trading at $325.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.